How to verify your identity on OneXBet KYC process. First of all, open the official OneXBet app and log into your account using your registered credentials. Next, go to the menu option and tap on Settings at the top right corner. On the Settings page, you will see your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, then select the Enter Details option to begin the identity verification process. This step is important to meet legal requirements and ensure the safety of your funds. Now you will be asked to provide personal details such as your full name, date of birth, address, and contact information. Make sure all the information matches to documents you plan to upload. Any mismatch can delay or even result in the rejection of the verification process. After that, you will need to provide details of the valid ID document. This could be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Once your documents details are updated, tap on Save to submit the information for review. The verification process may take a few hours to a few days, depending on the accuracy and clarity of your documents. You will be notified via email or in-app notification once your account is verified. And that's it. Now you know how to verify your identity on OneXBet KYC process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.